Hi guys, we're at Kymmy. And yeah, we're doing cooking for Kymmy, where Kymmy's cooking. So what are we doing, baby?
We're just having hamburgers, so
yep.
I'm just cooking the meat patties in this fry pan.
Yep.
Then I'm going to put the bacon and onion in this one.
Yep.
And then that's about it. Chips. We got chips.
We got tomato, cheese, eggs, beetroot. We got beetroot.
Yeah, in the fridge.
Where's that? Oh yeah. Have you got a can opener?
Yes, darling. You bought me a can opener.
Remember what trouble we have with the can openers? I got the can opener. Is it in this drawer?
Is it? Yes.
Or is it in this drawer?
It's in that drawer. No, not that one. This one, baby. This one. Is that the one? This one. This one. This one.
This one. Look at that can opener that works. I like beetroot.
I like beetroot too.
Have you ever had that much beetroot that your pea turns red?
Yeah.
It's true, isn't it?
It is.
Like the beetroot juice and that. Oh, when I was younger, that was.
Yeah.
And I was like, what the hell? I can just eat beetroot out of here.
We've got a container already with beetroot in it.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, that's all right, but we need lots of beetroot.
You will do, because I'm eating it.
Put that in there. Oh, you're messy.
I don't know. It's just a beetroot from last time we used it.
Yeah.
It might be any good then, let's try
Yes,
one.
it will. Beetroot lasts forever. What the frick do you know? Beetroot lasts forever. You taste it. Oh, rightio. Throw it out then.
Told you.
But at least it's up.
Should I just tip us the whole thing in there because you got a bag in it, or
Yes, darling, that's fine.
it's safe? See, I know stuff.
You do not.
What are you saying? I don't know anything. I'm like, we haven't seen each other for a while, hey?
Yes, no, we haven't.
No. So, because I'm just busy doing Nambo and stuff, and you know,
Yeah.
there's other reasons. 13. Yeah.
13.
13. Because that's my number on the scale of things.
I'm number 2.
Yeah, she's number 2. I'm number 13. Can you work out why that is? He's a doggy. Yeah, so we haven't seen each other. Well, you stayed at my place last night.
Yeah, so for about 2 weeks.
Yeah. Well, it would have been 2 weeks today if we didn't see each other.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, tomorrow actually, because Wednesday I went last
Yeah.
time. Because I normally do, because your work week's Thursday,
Yeah.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
That's right. That's right.
Oh, what a battle, man, isn't it?
Yeah, they were frozen too, baby.
Oh, right, yeah. And then we got chippies in here. It looks like it. Onion.
Onion, we've got bacon out ready.
Bacon. Oh, I'm starving. We've been watching Dexter.
Yes.
That's been pretty cool.
Oh.
Kimmy's got her son here as well, so he's going to have some yummies too. I don't know whether he'll be on camera, that's up to him. Unless he's cool.
So did you put the new beetroot in here?
I did, and I washed it first.
Okay, so we put that all on the
All that can go on the table? Have you put any dressing or anything on that?
No.
Probably don't need it.
No, because you're putting it on the burger, you
Yes, dear.
Don't put dressing on your steak.
Yes, dear. She buys proper butter now. I've taught her things. Oh, it's died. I don't know why it died. Why did it make that noise? I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's recording, maybe it's not.
Okay.
But it made weird noises. Oh, that might have been the other camera. I tried the other camera. We've got 2 GoPro 7s and
Yeah. Oh,
what's wrong, baby?
nothing, babe. I'm good.
I'm here helping.
Yes, you are.
And you just went, oh, like get the... I cooked breakfast this morning, didn't I?
You did, it was beautiful.
We didn't video it, but...
No, he cooked bacon, no. What did he cook?
What did I cook?
Sausages.
Yes, that's right. One sausage, actually.
Egg, baked beans and tomato. And avocado on toast.
Avocado on toast, yeah. Jenny had half an avocado left in the things. Jen's got her friend staying over tonight, coming over for dinner.
Yeah.
So she likes to cook then. Because she bought like stuff to make spaghetti bog.
Oh, right.
And I mean, I love her daughter very much, but every time she cooks, oh my God, she burns water. You know?
He's very opinionated.
I'm not.
I can't fucking cook either.
You can cook, baby. That Caesar salad that time.
But you're already eating lettuce tonight, are you?
Oh. What are you saying? You're saying I'm getting around?
No, darling, you're not getting around.
Kids will just be happy to see you got a bra on.
Yeah, stop it. You're so mean.
Oh, well, the kids might have had to go at mum, sort of like,
Yeah.
a bit low and lazy.
Low and lazy. Yeah.
I think that's what they said. Well, did you use canola oil there?
No, butter.
You're getting hungry, buddy, aren't you? Yeah. Oh, there's not much more to show them.
No.
So we might do the little
Get it on.
1, 2, 3 click thing.
Yeah.
Ready? Look at the camera and say 1, 2, 3 click.
1, 2, 3, click.
We're back.
We're back. So all the stuff's cooked. The chips are now
They're
done. Oh, they're crispy, baby.
They're looking good.
Yeah.
We just got beer.
Beer battered.
Yeah, I like
Yes.
beer batters.
There we go.
Did you get more of your family's chicken salt?
No, not yet. I haven't seen anybody. Oh, well, I did, but it wasn't a very good time.
What happened there?
Oh,
So this is our spread. We're going to make our own burgers. Just got Aldi. We went to Aldi, didn't we, Dale?
yeah, we did.
Onion, tomato.
Carried away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do that quite often. All right.
All right.
So that's Kymmy cooking.
Yes.
She looks like she's been working in a mine, doesn't
I do.
she? That's the way she looks when she
I
does
always
anything.
do, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Love you,
All
all.
right. Love you too.
Bye.
Bye.